Hi there, savvy homeowners and future real estate investors. Are you planning to relocate and buy a new home? I've been talking to more and more people who are telling me that they're planning to move out of their current state or even out of the country. They usually have two things in common: excitement and stress. If that's you, keep watching because I'm about to share some relocation secrets that can save you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. Hi, I'm Luna Petty, your friendly neighborhood mortgage broker. Relocating is a big change, and buying a home in an unfamiliar area can be daunting. But don't worry, I've got your back. Today, I'm diving into some insider tips that can make your relocation home buying journey a breeze. Research. Before you think about packing your boxes, do your homework. Consider making a list of what's important to you, and not just in the home, but also in your new community. Is medical care and quality hospitals important to you? Maybe not. Then look into the neighborhoods and the local amenities that can check off the most items on that list. The more you know, the better you can narrow down your options. Get pre-approved. Your golden ticket is a pre-approval letter. A pre-approval letter from a lender not only gives you a budget, but also makes you more attractive to sellers. Hire a local realtor. Interview realtors, and if you can, interview them by video chat. A local realtor knows the ins and outs of the market you're moving into. They can provide you with invaluable insights and even help you find properties that aren't listed yet. Visit before you buy. If possible, make a trip to your new city. Walk around the neighborhoods, visit the places you looked up to see if they're as attractive in person as they are online. Check out some open houses and get a feel for the community. A place might look great online, but remember, you're not just buying a house, you're buying into a new lifestyle. Negotiate like a pro. Don't be afraid to negotiate the price, even closing costs or repairs. Everything is up for discussion, and a great realtor will guide you through the process. All right, those are my top 5 relocation secrets to buying a home. If you're serious about making a smooth transition, let's talk. Let's make your dream home a reality. Trust me, your future self will thank you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might find it useful. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section. Thanks for watching.